Hiya fellas, Average Model Guy bringing you the final episode of our ICM AC40 137 Alpha Soviet fire truck. As you can see, this is all we have left to put on. I'm going to go ahead and show you all the off-camera work I did on this. We got her painted, I am going to say that. We got a lot of other pieces put on as well. So here she is all painted up. I got some dirt and dust on the tires. Let's see, close, got all the handles painted. Got our side view mirrors on. So we got to finish putting the headlights and the cages in here and here. Come up to the top here so I can show you. Come across, got all ladders painted up nice and pretty. Spin her around. Same on this side. Turn the tires all dusted up. Side view mirrors on. Swing around to the rear end. Got our tail lights painted. Got our glass in there for the pump. So it's looking really good. Flip around bottom too so I can show you. Got our exhaust system on there. Got our spare tire hooked up on there. So yep, we're ready to finish this guy up here. So I'm gonna go ahead and come back with the rest of the parts on, show you, and then after that we'll get the decals on and we'll call her good. I'll be right back. Alright guys, we have finished the build part of this. You can see, got my wee woo lights on top there, our grates and our headlights in, and we had to put a little bit of side railing on here. I forgot, missed that in a step. That's all good. We had one little searchlight right there we had to put on, and yeah, that is it as far as the build goes. I was really happy overall with the build of this. It was really nice. So I'd highly recommend this kit. Anybody who wants to build one, definitely. I did a little bit of painting touch up on it. I'm going to go ahead and take a break here for a second and get the stuff ready and get the decals on, and we'll come back for the final presentation. Okay fellas, we are done, finally. It's been a long journey for this one. Just kind of taking my time at it. Life happens, kind of been busy. I'm going on vacation next week. So I want to make sure I got this done before I got on vacation. So without further ado, here is our Soviet fire truck. And there we go. With our decals. Spin her around for you. Our license plate. Decals on the rear. This side's pretty much the same as well. There we go. Got it all wrapped up. I'll throw some pictures at the end of this so you guys can get a little bit better look, hopefully. But yep, it's all done. This was a great build, a great kit from ICM. Definitely a great kit. Really enjoyed building this one. There's only a few tricky pieces to put on throughout the kit, but other than that, it went together really well. So happy with it overall. So thanks again for watching, guys. If you haven't already, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that bell too, that way you're notified when I post new videos. And thanks again, guys. Happy modeling.